which of these numbers in the options can divide this expression we have up here? Okay, so we have 4 raised to the power 61 plus 4 raised to the power 62 plus 4 raised to the power 63, and we have 4 options: 3, 11, 13, and 17. They are all prime numbers, of course. Which one of them can divide completely the expression up there? Now, we can also possibly decide to now find out what is this 4 raised to the power 61 and pick up a calculator and then add and then find out. That would not be smart, yes? So what is the smart way to do this? What do? As a mathematician, you're going to think, you're going to factorize this by its highest common factor. So factorize the expression in the bracket. The highest common factor in the bracket is 4 raised to the power 61. So we're going to say 4 raised to the power 61 into what's left here, 1 plus 4 raised to the power 1. You can have it there, plus 4 raised to the power 2. Okay? You know your indices says that 4 raised to the power 61 plus 4 raised to the power 1 multiplied by 4 raised to the power 1 rather is 4 raised to the power 62 according to the laws of indices. So you understand how that goes. So what do we do next? Now I wrote 4 raised to the power 1 for the sake of understanding, just so you know. So we have now 4 raised to the power 61 into 1 plus 4 raised to the power 1 is 4 plus 16. Now we have 4 raised to the power 61 multiplied by 1 plus 4 plus 16 is 21. So we know that whatever all of this is, which we don't know, we don't even care to know, whatever all of this expression is, it is divisible by 21. All right? But 21 is not in our options. 21 is not exactly in our options. So what do? We just find what number in the option can divide 21, and that is 3. Okay? So since 3 is a factor of 21 itself, 3 must be our answer. 3 can divide this expression we have right here. Okay? Thank you very much for coming to this class. Stay tuned for more classes like this. Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more classes like this. Thank you. See ya. Bye.